read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today in the class, we have done number 7. How to write it and how to count the objects. आप घर पर 7 cups table पर रखें, count करें. After counting the object, we will teach how to write it. We will tell the formation of number 7. But before writing, we should develop the sense of counting. लिखना सिखाने से पहले हमने count करने का sense जो है वो develop करना होता है. So, we will keep 7 cups on the table and count them. You could keep 7 spoons as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 spoons. Now cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 cups. 7 cups. Now we will write it. Start from the dot. Make sleeping line. Make slant line. It will make number 7. It will make number 7. Sleeping line, slant line, it will make number 7. Sleeping line, slant line, it will make number 7. 7 cups, 7 spoons. Very good. So, I hope so you enjoyed today's lecture. But before finishing it, I want to tell you that you have to read this statement as well. 7 strawberries sit side by side. How many strawberries are there? 7. So, let's count these strawberries with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, if we will count the object, practically we will teach what is number 7. After that, it's easier for a student to recognize number 7. Before writing, it's very important to develop the sense of counting. I hope so you like this lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.